The following is from Fall 2011 Math 112 Test 3. In this video, I will do number 18, 19, and number 20. Number 18, convert this 38.56 to percent. Now, when you convert from a decimal to percent, what you do is to multiply by 100%. Okay, I need you to show this. Not only multiply by 100, you need to show multiply by 100%. Okay, if you write only multiply by 100, then you abuse the equal sign. Anything multiplied by 100 will change value. But if you multiply by 100%, you don't change the value, you just change the structure. Okay, and then to multiply by 100%, I will keep the percent sign. And when we multiply by base 10, the decimal points move opposite direction. We now get 3,856%. That's for number 18A. Number 18B, we will convert this decimal here into a mixed number, 38.56 over 100. Now, and then reduce that. That's 38. I can reduce by 4, I believe. If I reduce by 4, that will be 14 over 25. Okay. And that's 56, right? And then the place value of the last digit is 100th. That's why on the denominator I put 100 there. Now after you write that, you simplify. That's for number 18. Number 19. Honda Accord can travel 365 miles on 12 gallons of gas. Compute the miles per gallon. If you remember, that's actually the same to ask what is the MPG or what is the unit rate. Let me write that as a rate first. 365 miles over 12 gallons. Okay, now the idea is I will divide this. Okay, and I write it separately, and in the end, the answer will be in miles per gallon. That's what they ask us to do. Now let's divide 365 divided by 12, and they say round to the nearest tenth, which means when I divide, I need to go to the nearest hundredth. Okay, 3, 4, 36, I drop 5, 12 goes to 5 0 time, right? Write that 0 and then drop another one number. 12 goes to 54 times. Now this is the 10th place value already. Okay, now this is the 1 for 12. Okay, so if I round it to the nearest 10th, that will be 30.4 miles per gallon. Okay, because the next place value, the next place value you have less than root 5, right? Okay, that's for number 19. Number 20. $67 is what percent of 250? 67, if I translate it, that 67 is what percent. I will translate that as an x first, equals times 250. And I will solve for x in maybe in decimal or in fraction, and then later on I will convert that to percent. Now let's see. To undo the multiplication by 250, this is 67 over 250 equals to x, right? And if you want to convert this to decimal right now, that's okay. Which I think maybe yeah, it's better like that. Let me convert that to decimal. 67 divided by 250, that's 0.2 for 500, and drop one extra number there, that will be 6 for 1500, and subtract, I get extra 0, that will give me 8 for 2000, and this will be 0.268 equals to x. Now that's the x in decimal. but we need the question asks us to do it in percent. So what I will do next is to convert the 0.268 into percent by multiplying by 100%. This will then be, if we move the decimal points, it will be 26.8% equals to x. Okay, now if you remember, we did it earlier. Let me do it again. We move the decimal point twice to the left here, therefore I move it twice to the right here. Okay, that's how you multiply by base 10. Now this is from fall 2011, Math 112, Test 3, number 18, 19, and 20. Let's put number 20, 19 here, 18 here.